Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 different renter-friendly peel and stick products that will absolutely transform your rental home or rental apartment. I'm going to go over ways to transform your ceiling, floors, walls, cabinets, and even furniture. So if you're looking for some renter-friendly ways to transform your rental, I hope this video helps. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to share with you what a Cricut is, what it does, and how I created my own renter-friendly removable decals for my walls using my Cricut maker. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for more home improvement videos. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, let's start out with one of my all-time favorite peel and stick products. This is something that's going to transform your space instantly. It's going to add color, style, and trendiness really quickly. So if you have some boring flooring, some dated, ugly flooring you want to cover up, you need to try these peel and stick tiles. How cool is it that you can just lay these over your tiles and instantly get a more on-trend look? If you saw my bathroom makeover last year, I used a peel and stick tile, but it was more of a thick vinyl peel and stick tile. These are more of a tile sticker. They lay right over top of your 12 by 12 tile. They can even cover your grout. So if your grout isn't looking very good, this will cover it up and give you more of a seamless look. These are totally removable. They don't leave any residue behind, and they are super easy to install. You can easily install them within minutes, and all I really use is scissors or an X-Acto knife. All you need is a clean floor and you can lay these down. I would say that these are better for tiles that don't have any texture or bumps. So if you have smooth tiles that just aren't really the color or style that you're looking for, you can easily lay these over top. If you do have more of a textured tile, I would recommend the thicker floor tile option. I'll link those down below as well. Another really great thing is that you can order different samples. I love the different color options, the different style options. So if you're looking to add some personality to your space and you love the look of patterned tile, you can try some peel and stick tile in your rental space. These tile decals are also great for anybody that's not renting because you can test out a pattern or color before you commit to it. So if you just want a quick fix, you don't want to hire anybody to retile your space, try peel and stick products because it's more affordable, it's easy to do, and it's totally removable. Alright, now onto a peel and stick product that actually allows you to hang a light fixture without hardwiring it. So super renter friendly. This is the 3M Command ceiling hook, and this I think is one of their newer products if I'm not mistaken, but it's definitely newer to me. I think it is such an amazing solution to hang things from your ceiling in a renter friendly way. There's no poking holes, there's no hard wiring. You can actually hang a little light fixture using these hooks. So a really fun renter friendly way of hanging a light fixture is actually using battery puck lights, and you can install those inside of any light fixture, hang it from a string, and hook it to these 3M Command hooks, and you instantly have a light fixture. So these are specifically great for smooth ceilings. If you don't have popcorn ceilings, you can use these. The rental that I'm in right now does not have any area to hang a pendant over the table, so I'm going to create a little moment here, add some drama and some decor into this little eating area. These are perfect for anything that's lightweight because it holds half a pound. So it has to be pretty light, like a woven basket. So if you haven't seen these, definitely check them out, but they are specifically made for ceilings, and I think it's a great peel and stick way to add a new decor element into your space and hang a ceiling fixture. Any 3M Command product is perfect for rentals, so the fact that they have something now for ceilings just makes it even more exciting. Let me know down below in the comments if you've heard of this product, if you've tried it out, or what you have hanging from your ceiling using the 3M Command hook. Now moving on to a product that will help you transform the cabinets in your rental home. If you're not able to paint your outdated cabinets and you want to change the finish of them, you can actually use contact paper. This is faux wood contact paper. This is an oak finish and this is a black finish. They also have different contact papers that are a solid color. You can easily just wrap your cabinet fronts and transform the look of your space. This can smoothly cover your drawers, your doors. You can cut little pieces like this to fit right over your drawer fronts and just wrap the edges, and you would never know that it's peel and stick. It looks like wood, it feels like wood, there's some texture to it, and it's all removable. removable. I got both of these rolls from Amazon, so you can order as much as you need. I love that this is just a smooth finish as well, so you can wipe it clean if anything gets dirty. And when you move out and want your deposit back, you can just take these off your cabinet fronts and you can bring your space back to the original look. If your cabinets or drawers have any hardware on them, you just remove them, lay this over top, poke your holes through, and you can put your hardware back on, or you can change your hardware as well because that's renter friendly as well. So even if you have bright white cabinets like I do, sometimes that gets boring. Sometimes you just want to add a different look to it, and wrapping them in a wood finish really adds a new element, brings in a new color, and warms up the space. All right, now let's jump into some peel and stick removable options that you can use to transform the walls of your rental. First, we're starting with wall tiles or backsplash tiles. You can use peel and stick wall tiles to add backsplash, an entire wall of tiles. You can transform your bathroom, laundry room, or kitchen using tiles like these. I've talked about peel and stick backsplash before on my channel, and I've always shown the typical subway tile that's kind of laid out in the brick pattern because those are the most popular. You can find those everywhere. They're very easy to install, but now I really love the look of these more linear, straight, modern tiles. These are specifically from Tic Tac Tiles, and they come in different colors, so I picked up a pack of white and I got some black as well. They're a larger scale, and I feel like they have a little bit more versatility because you can turn them in different directions. So you can do a vertical look to your tile, which is very in style right now, or you can do the straight stack tile look, and that's very mid-century, very modern looking, and it just gives you a whole new look. So again, just like all the other products, this has a very sticky adhesive on that backside, and this can go right on top of your existing tiles that you might have on your backsplash, or it can go right onto the wall. I actually laid these right over top of my textured wall, and it holds perfectly, and I actually really like the look of the texture coming through the tile because it gives more of that organic textured tile look that's very in right now. I always get the question about this backsplash tile if it has texture to it, and it definitely does. The grout is lowered and the tiles are raised up, so it does have texture. It feels very real, it looks real, and you'd honestly never know the difference. So you can get these in a pack of 10. They're super affordable. They cover a ton of space. You can install them in minutes and really modernize the look of your space. Now, another really fun way to customize the walls of your rental, add some color and some pattern and some interest, is to actually make your own wall decals. These are removable peel and stick vinyl decals that I made using my Cricut Maker, and I'm so excited about them. I chose my own color, I customized the pattern, I sized them to the way I want, and I can put them on the walls to really make it look like wallpaper. Thank you again to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. I would not have been able to make all of these identical decals without my Cricut. If you're not familiar with what a Cricut is, it's the ultimate smart cutting machine. It's the perfect machine to have if you're a DIYer or a crafter like me. You can accurately and quickly cut over 300 different materials using the Cricut Maker. You can cut delicate paper, fabric, vinyl, or even tough stuff like mat board, leather, and basswood. You can just swap out the different housing tools to do different things with your Cricut. So you can deboss, score, cut, draw, engrave, and even write. So it really gives you a ton of options and allows you to craft almost anything. I picked up a bunch of the blank Cricut materials so that I can customize coasters and mugs one day. I feel like it would make a really fun and exciting and personalized gift. So there's so many different materials that you can work with a Cricut. I really love working with vinyl and creating different labels and decals. So I connect my Cricut to my iPhone, but you can also use it on your laptop as well. You can plug your Cricut right into your laptop or connect via Bluetooth, so you can kind of create on the go. But I love going on the design space, going through existing projects to see what you can make really quickly, or you can design your own. I decided to make my own little custom look. I actually went on Etsy, searched different wall decals, and kind of created a pattern and color that I liked best. So I just created it using a bunch of circles and semicircles, lined them up, and created this little pattern. The Cricut Maker makes it so that they're all identical, they're all the same size, and they're cut out perfectly. So since wall decals are usually pretty custom, they can typically be a little bit more expensive. So I'm just thrilled that I can make these myself now and really create any pattern I want to put on my walls. So since this is a renter-friendly project, I use the removable Cricut vinyl. They also have permanent vinyl as well, but to get that vinyl onto the wall, you can use the Cricut transfer tape. It's a really easy process to smooth it onto the wall and just repeat that over and over again, and you get this amazing wallpaper look. It's super easy and really quick and just such a satisfying project. Since I use the removable vinyl, I can easily take it off the walls and it can go back to its original look. So it's just a fun way of adding some pattern and some color to your space and really making it look like you have wallpaper there, but you really just have these tiny little decals. So this project would not have been possible without my Cricut. The Cricut machine is the machine for any kind of crafter or DIYer. It will save you so much time and make sure that all of your projects go smoothly, quickly, and makes it all super enjoyable. All right, now the last removable way of transforming your walls of your rental is to use peel and stick wallpaper. This stuff is just amazing. It's instant drama, it's instant interest, and it makes your space look custom. This roll is from Amazon and it has these amazing flowers and tropical leaves, and just putting this up on the wall is just a huge change from plain white walls. So it's really fun and exciting. It's also very easy to do. You can do it all yourself and it's really just an adhesive again. So it's something that can peel off, stick on, and remove anytime. I love that you can also try really fun patterns like this because you don't really have to commit to them. You can always switch up the pattern with new peel and stick wallpaper and change up the look of your space. I have textured walls in my rental and this really holds to it, so it's not a problem. You can squeegee it on with your hand or a squeegee and it just goes really smoothly. If you go with a really busy pattern like this, you don't have to be super worried about it matching up perfectly either. So it's really easy to just go across your wall and have it all laid out quickly. You can find peel and stick wallpaper on Amazon, the hardware store, or even just go on Etsy and find really amazing custom patterns. Peel and stick wallpaper can be used for your entire wall. You can do half of your wall, a quarter of your wall. You could even wallpaper your ceiling. I would probably even suggest peel and stick wallpaper over traditional wallpaper just because you don't have to deal with all the mess, the prep, and all the steps involved to install traditional wallpaper. I would say go for the peel and stick wallpaper all the way. If you're looking to just try out peel and stick wallpaper for the first time, try it in your closet or a powder room. Transform a small space in your home and see what an impact it makes. It's really fun to use, it's really quick to use, and again, it doesn't leave any damage when you remove it afterwards. All right, so that's it for my 6 renter-friendly peel and stick products that will transform your rental space. They are amazing and they work wonders, and it's just such an unbelievable concept that I think you need to try. So let me know down below in the comments which one of these peel and stick products would you use in your rental space. If you're looking for even more renter-friendly decorating tips, I'll leave a few of my favorite videos down below. I think they're gonna be super helpful to you. They'll give you more tips on what you can do in your rental, how you can transform it, and how you can decorate it without damaging your space. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I have a huge makeover project coming up, and I'm definitely going to be using a lot of peel and stick products. So if you're interested in that, make sure you guys stay tuned. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.